Hello everyone and welcome to our new video, where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable monitors in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these portable monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the G-Chick 1303H. The G-Chick 1303H is an easy-to-carry 13.3-inch portable monitor, which is an ideal option for everyone who requires an extended screen that can connect to a smartphone, camera, laptop, or even a gaming console. From a design perspective, the 1303H looks gorgeous with its stylish and clean white body. It is lightweight and comes with an aluminum cover that protects the monitor on one side, while on the other you can adjust the monitor in 3 angles, such as from 53 degrees, 62 degrees and up to -72 degrees. Another notable thing about this model is that it supports a 0.25-inch screw if you want to mount it on a camera tripod, and it is also VESA compatible, so you can have it mounted on your monitor arm or wall and be more flexible in terms of saving space. However, these accessories aren't included in the package, so you'll have to additionally pay in order to get them. The connectivities include a headphone out, one micro HDMI, a mini DisplayPort and a VGA, so you can connect it to multiple devices. Now let's talk about the performance. This model uses a 13.3-inch 1080p IPS panel that has a contrast ratio of 700:1, Full HD resolution or 1920 by 1080 in terms of pixels, and supports up to 16.7 million colors, which is awesome. Thanks to the IPS technology, which offers wide viewing angles, you can see a consistent imagery even if you're looking from a 178-degree horizontal and vertical angle. As I've stated in the beginning, you can connect the display to your smartphone or to your gaming consoles such as PS4 or Xbox One and have more space for playing games or watching videos. If you're a photographer who seeks a larger space and want to have an increased productivity, then you can connect this monitor to your digital camera and see what is your camera actually focused on, and that's a really good thing. To conclude, you should take this monitor into consideration because it is extremely useful, powerful, and comes at an affordable price. Next up, at number 4 we have AOC E1659FWU. The AOC E1659FWU is a 15.6-inch ultra-slim portable LED monitor that would be a great addition to your home or office desk because it is light, compact and produces stunning graphics, which will make your working hours a lot more convenient. From a design perspective, the AOC has a glossy piano black finish that is accompanied by a 15.6-inch display clothed in an anti-glare coating, which will drastically reduce the ambient lights, leaving you free from the annoying reflections. At the rear, you will instantly notice the USB 3.0 port, and surprisingly, there aren't any other ports, buttons or dials, so you will have to access in the display link control panel if you want to make brightness adjustments as well as to connect with multiple monitors. If you want to have a more comfortable viewing experience, then I want to inform you that at the back of this monitor there are 4 VESA holes that will let you mount it on your wall without any issue. Now let's talk about the features of this monitor. The AOC has a maximum resolution of 1366 by 7068 with a refresh rate of 60 Hz and a response time of 5 milliseconds, which means that the visuals won't contain any noticeable blur, so you can be more effective in terms of productivity. However, my only complaint is that the panel is TN instead of an IPS, but this is nothing to be surprised of since the price is fairly reasonable. In addition, I want to mention that the monitor has an auto pivot feature that automatically adjusts the image according to the position in which you're using the monitor. You can also choose between a landscape or portrait mode. For example, if you have to deliver a presentation in front of your colleagues, then the landscape mode would be an ideal option for you. But if you want to have a bigger space for searching through the web, then the portrait mode would be more appropriate. Overall, if you're looking for a portable monitor that looks brilliant and has a fast response and refresh rate, then the AOC would be a top choice for you. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Lenovo ThinkVision LT1421. The Lenovo ThinkVision LT1421 is a 14-inch USB LED monitor that boasts a display resolution of 1366 by 7068, which closely matches the ones on the notebooks. From a design perspective, the LT1421 features a matte finish body, which houses a 14-inch TN panel with extremely thin topside bezel and a black plastic cover that secures the screen from scratches. In terms of connectivities, there is only one mini USB port which shares the space with a rocker switch that will let you choose from 16 brightness levels. The manufacturer has also included a 5.9 foot or 1.8 meter USB white type cable for the monitor and 2 regular USB connectors for the host, so you are good to go. Moreover, this monitor comes with an arm, which will let you tilt the monitor from 12 degrees to 40 degrees and give you the opportunity to find your ideal viewing position. Now let's talk about the performance. The contrast ratio of 400:1 and the response time of 8 milliseconds will ensure that the graphics will be well defined, or to be more precise, the colors, the blacks, whites and text will look pretty good for a 14-inch TN panel. Even though I'd prefer an IPS panel, I think that you won't be disappointed by the graphics, because the Lenovo can display up to 262,000 colors. I also want to inform you that the LT1421 can display various shades of dark gray, and even if you view it horizontally from 90 degrees or vertically from 50 degrees, the visuals will be still good. Overall, you should definitely consider the Lenovo ThinkVision LT1421 because it has a really good build quality, it produces a well-defined graphics, and most importantly, it is affordable, so it is not going to heavily affect you on your budget. At number 2, we have the GAEMS M155. The M155 is a 15.5-inch HD LED portable gaming monitor that is primarily intended for console players who want to take their monitor with them wherever they go and play on a high resolution with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. From a design perspective, the M155 comes in a classic dark silver color that is accompanied by a carbon texture on the sides and at the back, which adds a bit of aggression for signifying that you will be playing on a real gaming device. When you flip the device over, you will notice that there are 2 hinged rubber feet that support a viewing angle of up to 12 degrees, while at the same time they will keep the overall device stable so it won't move during your intense gaming moments. In addition, the screen doesn't support VESA, but GAMS has played smart, so they enable the device to support a 0.25-inch camera screw socket that will easily hold clamps, tripods and camera mounts, so you will still have plenty of options. The connectivities include a 3.5mm stereo headphone jack, a single built-in speaker, an HDMI input and cable, USB Y-split, a power cable and a power adapter plug, so you're good to go. Now let's talk about the features. The M155 uses a TN panel with a resolution of 1366 by 7068 pixels, which means that every game you play will be displayed accurately and you won't have any problem with the resolution. The colors are sharp and well defined, because the M155 supports up to 16.7 million colors with a color depth of 8-bit, so you will notice this instantly with each game you play. To conclude, if you're looking for a console monitor that can elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level, then the M155 would be a perfect choice for you. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Asus ZenScreen MB16AC. The Asus ZenScreen MB16AC has an IPS panel, is lightweight and has a Full HD resolution of 1080p, which makes it perfect for any working desk with multiple monitor setup. From a design perspective, the MB16AC features a 15.6-inch screen that includes a little bezel around the viewing area and 2 navigation buttons placed at the bottom left, so you can easily access them and make various adjustments. At the back, the monitor is covered with a gunmetal gray finish that is accompanied by the Asus trademark logo and concentric circles. Asus has also included a foldable smart case which protects the monitor from dust and scratches, but the third purpose is to fold into a stand and provide you a portrait or landscape orientation. You will instantly notice the smart pen hole at the bottom right corner as well, so you can insert the pen when you're not using the smart case and the screen will still remain stable. The USB-C is the only connectivity port which supports both power delivery and signals input, so you can connect the screen to any mobile device as well, without installing drivers, which is far more convenient. Now let's talk about the features. This model uses the Asus iCare technology, which will minimize the screen flickering and the blue light emission, so you won't deal with any fatigue after a prolonged period of usage. In addition, thanks to the IPS panel, the color accuracy is consistent and accurate even if you view it from uncomfortable viewing angles. So it's definitely a perfect screen. I also want to inform you that there are 8 modes of which you can choose from, such as the RGB mode, scenery, reading mode, darkroom mode, theater mode, game mode, night view mode, and the standard mode, so you can choose the one that is ideal for what you're currently requiring. Overall, the MB16AC is an extremely lightweight and powerful portable monitor that can effectively double your screen space with stunning graphics and increase your productivity like never before. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these portable monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.